Hi there guys, we're at Presthaven, just top of North Wales, in a little caravan. We're here for a few days, from Friday to Monday, if I've got it right. But yeah, yeah, Mrs. wanted to come here, and we're thinking about buying a caravan as well. Not sure yet. Let's take you for a wander around. Like I say, it's got a big balcony in front. Pretty decent. This is the living room bit with not key on the blue, but you know, it's well kept. Biggest TV. I think it's the biggest TV I've seen in one of these caravans. Yeah. Little dining area. The world's smallest fridge and freezer. I've never seen one that small. Yeah, looks pretty cool. There's one thing I've noticed, there's no cupboard doors. Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, let's go to have a look in the bathroom. I mean, it's a bathroom, you know. Shower and all that, and let's open these blinds. Ooh, yeah baby, there we go. Definitely we're going like a blue and green motif. And then down here there's just a single toilet and basin with, yeah, your boiler. Not going to touch that. The two bed here that we'll put together because, you know, we've got three boys, so we can share. And another one here for the girls. Once again, blue and green motif still going around. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And the master suite, or you know, bedroom, whatever you want to call it. Once again, blue and green motif. But yeah, once again, the wardrobe's got no. Wardrobe's got no doors, but I suppose at least nobody can break them. Plenty of plugs around, and that one's got a USB on it, and yeah, it's pretty good. Very clean. Yeah, like I say, Presthaven, and yeah, like I say, got a bit of a drive. I think we're on the main bit of the road of it, as it's such. Speed bumps all the way through, you know, for kids' safety, plenty of crossings and stuff like that. And yeah, just leave it there. Right, I suppose we best get the kids in and unpack stuff I do for content. Right, I'll unpack and probably have a wander around in a bit.
The next day.
Around these ones. All the way down there. There's a lighthouse. Not like you've seen. Hello guys, it's been a couple of days. We got back, sorted all the washing out and all the stuff, and unpacked, and realised I didn't do the outro. Great. As per usual, I forgot. So anyway, yeah, thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. We are going back in a couple of months, hopefully in our camper van. Hopefully. Yeah, like I say, thoroughly enjoyed it. So yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, like, comment, subscribe. Gratefully appreciated. It helps the channel no end. See you on the next one, guys. So, bye.